In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in MailerLite. We'll walk through the full process from the dashboard to sending, so you can confidently launch a clean, professional campaign. Start by logging in to your MailerLite account. On the home page, head to the Campaign section. Click Create Campaign. If this is your very first email in MailerLite, you'll likely see a large Create button in the middle of the page. Go ahead and click that. Next, choose Regular Campaign. This is the standard option for creating and sending a one-off email to your selected subscribers, with no automation attached. From here, you can start from scratch or pick a template. To move quickly, let's use a template. Browse the designs, choose the one that fits your message, and click Choose. Give your campaign a clear, internal name so you and your team can recognize it later. Then click Continue. You'll land on the campaign settings page. Enter your email subject line. Keep it concise and meaningful so subscribers immediately understand the value. Confirm the sender name. You can edit it if you want your brand to be front and center. Select your recipients, making sure you've chosen the right group or segment. You also have the option to add a pre-header. This short line appears next to or below your subject in most inboxes and gives a quick preview of your content. Think of it as a second chance to earn the open. Keep it helpful and consistent with your subject. When everything looks good, click Continue. Now decide how you want to deliver your campaign. If you're ready to go live right away, choose Send Now to deliver the email immediately. If you prefer to plan ahead, choose Send Later and schedule a specific date and time. You can also schedule based on time zones, which ensures subscribers receive the email at the same local time wherever they are. Just set it up at least 24 hours in advance. Another option is Smart Sending. This delivers your campaign within a 24-hour window when each subscriber is most likely to engage, helping maximize opens and clicks. With Smart Sending, delivery completes within that 24-hour period. And that's it. Your email campaign is set up and ready to go in MailerLite. A quick recap: create a regular campaign, pick a template, add a subject, sender, recipients, and an optional pre-header, then either send now, schedule, or use Smart Sending. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tutorials.